My name is Philip Altieri. I'm actually a partner of the Altieri Pendergast law firm, which we've recently just started about 7-8 months ago. I know Sean from my former firm that I worked at prior to me starting out my own business or my own law firm. I worked for the Mitchell-Gillian law firm, which is now currently known as the Gillian law firm. And in fact, we were actually trying a pretty large case, and we needed some help. We needed some trial lawyers, some trial experience. And we brought Sean Simpson in to help us out with this case. It was a really, really large case. It was a brain injury case, and we had him help us, try the case because we knew of his experience and his reputation. It was really, really exciting for me, the opportunity to meet him and actually spend this opportunity with him in trial and be there with him and see him in action. And the one thing I noticed about him more than anything was his cool, calm demeanor. He connected very, very well with the jurors. He was very conversational in everything that he did on his directs and cross. He treated the witnesses with the utmost respect. I think he was able to connect with the jurors when he did that. They were able to relate to him, and it was a very, very effective tool. I would describe Sean as a very carefree, young-spirited kind of guy. When we were working on this trial, Sean and I went up to Big Bear with a few other attorneys, and we spent the weekend up there. His energy, I would have thought the man was about 5 or 6 years younger than myself. I couldn't certainly keep up with him. We were up there and we were about trial prep, trial prep, trial prep, trial prep. At the same time, we let loose and we enjoyed ourselves as well. And, no matter what time we went to bed, we were getting up the next morning, and I'll never forget, I walking in there and Sean's sitting at the table. When I wake up, he's got his coffee in his hand and he's reading depositions. And I think I was just going to the bathroom to go back to bed. But when I saw Sean, I looked at him, I'm like, this guy's on it. He's ready to go again, So he's got this very intenseness about him that, is very contagious, and I really, really enjoyed that. And I would say in all aspects or respects of his life, Sean is like that. Not necessarily just work, but outside of work as well. He has that approachableness to him in trial as well as on the street. He's a gentleman that you feel that you can easily talk to, walk up to, and approach, because you can indeed do that.